Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a quite unique trailer. This is actually a 2000 Sundowner. It's not a 2+1. I'm gonna call it a 2-horse straight load with side ramp. So it's a 2-horse straight load. It does have a side ramp on the passenger side, white in color, full running boards. It does have an escape door. It does have sliders on the rear. It does have a ramp with Dutch doors. Those doors do fold back. You can leave them folded back in transit. So it's very big. It's 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall, but it is made for big horses. It has a lot of room. It does have roof vents, padded divider, padding on both sides of the wall, and padded chest and butt bars. Like I said, it's a really unique trailer. If you've got large horses, the only setback is it doesn't have a dressing room. So it does not have a dressing room, but there is a place for some storage in the nose. You can fold back the top door to the ramp. I believe you can do that, I would think, in transport. I'm not 100% sure, but it does have a clip that holds that back. The jury's still out on that one, I'm not sure. But it does have a clip that folds it back. So side ramp. Walking up the side ramp, you'll notice that it has a winch pulley system. Works off a battery. So this trailer was used for 2 horses and a cart. So if that's something you do, this would be a great trailer for you to actually put a cart in the front. So it is a 2-horse straight side ramp with a winch, and you could have storage in the nose. So no dressing room. I'll have the box length and all the information on this trailer on my website. Like I said, it's a pretty unique trailer, but in excellent shape for its age. It absolutely doesn't really have anything for me to complain about. It's a great trailer. It's got the sliders for airflow up in the nose, which would obviously work for the horses as well. So that's kind of nice. So to recap, this is a 2000 Sundowner, 2-horse Woody, good Lord, 2-horse straight load, side ramp with a winch. Possibly if you wanted to use for a carriage, you could take that out if you needed to. It's not inhibiting the horses in any way. It's nowhere near where they would be. So kind of cool trailer. So Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks guys.